Hello everyone, somebody let me borrow a GoPro for the weekend, so I'm wondering if I should get it. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Should I get this? Let me know, especially for the sound. I'd like to know if the sound is better. And this is what you see while I'm working on the engine. Like I said, let me know how the sound and how the picture is, if you're satisfied with that. Actually, I am going to do a little bit of an improvement to this. There's a little bit of light bleed through from here, so I'm going to put a drop of crazy glue in the back, hoping to close that. Then I'll just paint it black. That should take care of the bleed through. Also, I'm going to paint a little wire black. Now I'll paint the front wire also. Paint that black. It's not too objectionable, but still looked a little bit silly with all that color. Yeah, so let me know, should I get this? Do you have a better camera that you can recommend? How do you like the picture? How do you like the sound? Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.